Fill up all the Alfredos with garlic.
Didn't call for garlic, but thank you.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Trying
Trying to get me mad. Well, that's all right. You didn't. So.
All the dessert apple pie bags I filled with garlic.
Yeah, yum. I love garlic with my apple pie. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle. Today, my husband and I are going to be preparing a month's worth of freezer meals because I'm pregnant and I get really sick. And so I'm not quite sick yet. I'm a little queasy, but peppermint candy and things like that kind of stave it off for the moment. But if I end up getting hyperemesis again, then that's gonna be tough. So I'm gonna show you the different meals that we're gonna be making, and I have my apron on, I'm ready to go. So let's get started. The first meal we're gonna be making is chicken broccoli Alfredo, and that is from the Large Family Table website. You might know J. Morel Stewart. She's also on YouTube. This is her recipe. We're making 4 of those. We're making 4 of the best black bean soup ever. That's what it's called on Money Saving Mom on her website. The other recipe that I have is from Nora Cooks. It's a lentil soup recipe. This one I don't have a recipe for. It's just a sausage thing that I make that my kids and my family love. We have 4 of those as well. 4 of chicken noodle soup, no recipe for that. Split pea soup, I don't need a recipe for that either. And chili, also with no recipe. So we're gonna get started. My husband is going to be cutting a lot of veggies. He's an amazing vegetable chopper. And anytime I cut onions, I cry and cry and cry. Like, it makes my eyeliner go all down my face. Leave a comment below if you have the same problem when you're chopping onions. So how we're doing it is, I've got these big baby carrots I showed in my food haul because I just need something easy to do this. I'm already really low on energy and I don't, really feel like peeling and everything. So half of a bag is going to go for one bag and another half goes into another bag. That's how I calculated that. So he's just chopping those now. And Joel loves to cook and he's an amazing sous chef, chopper. He doesn't get an opportunity to cook very much because he works.
Right.
But when he does help me out, he does them perfectly. I can't cut that well like he can. So the way we're trying to do this is we're trying to do all the carrots for all of the meals first, and then all of the celery for all of the meals next.
There is no try. There is only do.
Oh, really?
Yoda.
Yeah, exactly.
Here we go. There's one.
Oh, see, that's still a lot of carrots. That's a lot of carrots.
Okay.
I might even be able to do. Yes.
Let me do that. You hold it.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
Okay. Another thing.
Next bag.
Okay, so second thought, we were doing a half a bag for each, but that's a lot of carrots. So I think I can get 3 bags out of one of these big bags here. Let's see. Oh, it says these are 32 ounces, so that's a lot. So I'm gonna do less. Oh, there's Everly. She's saying hey. Yeah. Let's do, I can do it without spilling them everywhere anyway. Yeah, that looks much better. Better ratio. So now while he's finishing up cutting the carrots, I'm gonna add the black beans. This just goes in one bag. It's 4 cans per bag as I drip them all over my counter.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Look at how good my husband does. Oh my goodness. Man, you should be a chef. You should.
I would love to. I'd love to actually have like a diner where all the girls work with us, you know?
Yeah, all our kids.
Like in my big fat Greek wedding, where the guy is real grumpy and he you know, and he does all the cook and stuff.
That's why you want to do it, because you want to be the grumpy guy in the back.
Yeah, I want to be able to yell grumpy stuff and be like, order up, and and things like that. And you call these mushrooms when I get a delivery.
Yeah.
Exactly. Old grumpy old man.
Perfect.
Yep.
I like it. Thanks. Just finished chopping the celery, and we have a big mound of fun scraps for our chickens. They will love it.
That you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. I've never been known for my cautious side. I know the wind that I stir is a gale. So let us just do my love and not stop.
Instead of putting broth in it, what I do is I'll put Better Than Bouillon. Can you grab that from the fridge? I put Better Than Bouillon seasoning in it, or you can use bouillon cubes, and then I write on the bag how many cups of water, and then when I go to cook it, that's what I do. I just put the water in. Oh, here it is. So yeah, I just put in Better Than Bouillon, and this calls for 6 cups of broth, so I do 6 teaspoons of this right in the bag and freeze it with it. That way your bag isn't full of all your broth and your liquid and everything, and it makes it a little easier. Okay. Am I too close to you?
You're gonna be too close to me too.
That's sweet. Very nice. Okay, more garlic. Now we're gonna set these off to the side, and then when we go to do onions, we'll put an onion in. Pretty much each bag gets an onion except for the fettuccine Alfredo.
And why do we do onions last?
Yeah, why don't you tell why?
Why do we do onions last, everybody?
Yeah.
Somebody's got sensitive eyes.
Yes.
Cries.
I do cry.
Even when I cut him, he has to leave the room.
I know. He is fine. His eyes don't water at all. It's so weird. Like a robot. So I just rinsed and sorted through the split peas, and so I'm going to add one bag to each of our bags.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay.
Sausage.
So now I'm just adding the rinsed lentils into the lentil bags.
Okay, I filled up all the Alfredos with garlic.
Didn't call for garlic, but thank you.
No, I didn't.
Okay. Trying to get me mad. Well, that's all right. You didn't. So.
All the dessert apple pie bags I filled with garlic.
Yeah, yum. I love garlic with my apples.
Whatever.
Night and day, I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue, but here he comes to take me too.
forgive me, but this is the next day. We were too exhausted to film the after of everything. So this is our chest freezer, and we have 4 of each of the meals that you saw us make. This is the split pea soup. And see how much nicer it is without all the broth in there too, and it'll be easier to open when I am ready to use the bag. You can see that we have this basket and it goes all the way down, and it goes down to the bottom. So I actually do still have a little bit of room in this freezer, but that is for bags of broccoli and things that I don't actually put in here. I like to add the broccoli at the end of the cooking so that it doesn't get all mushy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. I love to watch other people cook and clean, and I hope that you guys do. It's such a huge encouragement when you guys like these videos and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!